afternoon. May Allah, peace, mercy and blessings be all upon you. Well, I would like to talk about myself. I am Illin. I am 9 years old. I am reading class 3 in Master Preparatory School. I live in Gazipur. I am Bangladeshi and live in a city called Gazipur. There are 4 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, my sister and me. My father is an engineer and my mother is a housewife. My father's name is Muhammad Anas and my mother's name is Amina Khanam. My sister's name is Namihan Irisha. She reads in class 7 in Rajaputra Model College. My hobby is drawing, coloring and dancing. My aim is to be a teacher. I'm very pleased to introduce myself before you. Thank you all. Bye bye.